Hey everyone, so in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to use ShareASale. ShareASale is one of my favorite affiliate marketing platforms, and if you guys want to get into the affiliate marketing space, this is definitely a platform that you should try out. They have tons and tons of different companies and brands on the platform, plus their tracking and insight information is really good. So yeah, I'll be walking you guys through the platform and show you all the different things you need to know to get started on this platform today. Now to date, I think I've made over $200,000 just on ShareASale. So yeah, it's definitely a platform that works. Let's get started. Okay, so here I am in my ShareASale dashboard. You guys can see the main part of this homepage is going to be your activity feed right here. This is going to show you any transactions or sales that have been done through your links depending on the day. So under today, it's going to be what I've referred so far, as well as any announcements or whatever like that. So these all sort of go into here. Over here, you have your current balance. So I have this blurred out just for confidential purposes, but it's going to tell you the current balance of money that you've made. And it's also going to show you how much was paid out on the last date. Down here, it's going to have your top merchants. So whichever your merchants are, it's going to rank those by how much money you've made in commissions to date. And yeah, this is just an overview of the dashboard. It's very, very simple. And what I recommend you guys do is go here to merchants and then click search for merchants. So this is where all the magic happens in ShareASale. This is where you find different affiliate programs that you guys can join. I really like ShareASale because the way that this page is structured, it's very, very easy to find different programs depending on what category it is. So you guys can see over here, we have a bunch of different categories, and this is going to be a number showing how many different affiliate programs are within that category. Over here, you're going to have your trending merchants. So this is always going to be changing. It's going to look a little bit different for you, likely, depending on when you visit this page. But yeah, these are all different programs that have done really well for other people. Now, one thing I do want to show you guys is what these numbers here mean. So let's say, for example, this is for bannerbuzz.com. It's going to have the merchant ID right here. It's going to have the category right here, as well as the website, so you guys can go check it out just to get a feel for what that brand or product is. Down here, you're gonna have 6% per sale. This is gonna be the commission rate, right? So over here, you guys can see 6% per sale, 50% per sale, 10% per sale, $50 per sale. It just depends on the particular merchant. Now, as you guys will probably notice, the affiliate programs that pay out the most are likely going to be digital products or services. These have very little overhead cost, so that's why they are able to pay out a higher percentage or dollar amount per sale. For more physical products, it's very common for you to get between 5 to 10% per sale. And that's just because their overhead or cost to fulfill an order is much, much higher. So of course, they are not able to pay out as much. But that doesn't mean that you can't make a lot of money. So yeah, for this one, for example, you get 6% per sale, meaning if you sell $100 of stuff, then you get $6. The power rank, I'm not really sure how they actually calculate this, but of course, lower number is better. So over here is the 7-day earnings per click, EPC. Okay, so for this program, the 7-day EPC is $391.44. This basically means that on average per 100 clicks, you're going to make $391.44 or $3.91 per one click. That's just on average. That's basically what they've seen on the program in the last 7 days. So of course, the higher the number here, the better, right? Because you can sort of think, hey, for every one click, I'm making $3.91 on average, or for every 100 clicks I get, I'm going to make $391. That is pretty strong. So yeah, higher the number, the better. Let's say I want to join this program. I'll click join program right here. And for every different company, it's going to have a different sort of application process. So for example, this one, you're going to have to read and agree to the agreement for affiliates. We'll check mark that. And then optional, it's going to have us tell us about your promotional methods and plan for this merchant to help speed up approval. For example, websites that you're going to use, any PPC terms, etc. So here you're going to sort of write a little pitch explaining why you should be in this affiliate program, why this particular company fits your niche or your type of content, as well as how you are actually going to promote it and on what channels. A lot of these programs do not allow you to actually bid on certain words, sort of certain keywords. So you guys can see you cannot bid on keywords like banner buzz, and that's because these are all trademarked. So after you fill this out, you'll click join this program. It's going to send the application to the company, and they'll likely take them 1 to 3 business days for them to respond. Now, like I said, depending on what type of content you make, you're going to choose certain different categories. For example, if you guys are making automotive content, car content, then perhaps click on this. And you guys can see these are some of the featured categories for automotive. If you guys make car content and you have a lot of, exotic or supercar content where people may want radar detectors, then this could be a really good affiliate program to join. You guys can see it pays 6% per sale, and the 7-day earnings per click is $61.97. Coming down here, we can actually rank these programs by the 7-day earnings per click. You can also filter by, commission, by the start date, by the cookie length, all that stuff. Cookie length is important because that's how long you have after they click your link for them to actually make that sale and have it be tracked to your account. And yeah, if you want to learn more about any of these affiliate programs, what you'll do is you'll click on the company name right here. And here is a very detailed page going over all the different things for this particular affiliate program. So come down here, we can select 7 days information or the last 30 days, up to you guys. What I like to do is look at the average sale amount, of course, the average commission. We want these to be, of course, higher. And then the earnings per click. This is also very, very important. Conversion rate. So you can see per click, they have a 1.62% conversion rate, meaning for every 100 clicks, you get about 1.62 purchases. This one has a 30-day cookie, which is pretty standard. The last transaction was done today, meaning yes, this is an active affiliate program. And yeah, you guys can also come here and look at when they've been active since. Is it auto approval? So no, this means you do need to apply. Percent of users on desktop is 75%, and then percent on mobile is 25%. Here's going to be a merchant description. So basically more information about, this particular company, what they sell. You guys can look at the terms and conditions too. Here are the commission rates. So 5% per sale and then $0 per lead. And then here are the PPC keyword rules. Now, beyond this, there's tons and tons of different reports you guys can look at. There's the weekly progress report. There's the monthly summary. I'm not going to go into these since they do have confidential information, but there are tons and tons of different ways to track your affiliates and see how well they perform. If you guys go to Today at a Glance, this is a page I'll show you guys. It's going to show you your account activity. So these are the sales today, the number of clicks today, as well as the commissions today. Here are the sales from yesterday, number of clicks yesterday, as well as the commissions earned yesterday. And yeah, it also has this sort of like graph right here showing you all the different stuff. So yeah, very powerful platform, really easy to use. And yeah, there are tons and tons of great companies that pay really well that are on a specific platform. So I hope you guys enjoyed this walkthrough and tutorial about ShareASale. I'll put the link to ShareASale down below, as well as any other resources that you guys might find helpful. Overall, very simple platform to use. And the main thing, if you guys want to see success, is you want to have a very strong audience, as well as being very smart on connecting certain affiliate programs with the type of content you're making. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you guys got some value out of it. And if you did, make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe for more content just like this. This whole channel is dedicated at giving you guys free guides and tutorials helping you start up your business. Thanks for your time, and I'll see you in the next video.